Did he just redeem all of his Chase points for cash back?
I sure did. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description below. There are some down there to apply for a new credit card, get 4 free stocks from Webull when you open up a new account and deposit $100, and another one to help you start your own online business and have me guide you through the process. So today I have a very special video for you. I'm going to be redeeming all of my points for cash back. Now when I say all of my points, I mean as many as I possibly can. Sometimes banks have minimum redemption requirements and also require you to redeem in certain increments. So for example, if you can only redeem in 5,000 point increments and you have 4,917 points, you can't redeem anything. So putting aside those excess points, I'm going to redeem as many as I possibly can across multiple banks. And if you'd like to know why the heck I'm doing this in the first place, then be sure to stay till the end of this video because I will reveal my entire rationale. And with that said, let's get to it because I'm ready for some money. All right, y'all, let's have some fun with this. So here's the format that we're going to use. On the left-hand side of your screen, I have my web browser right here. And on the right-hand side, for a little bit of a fun factor, I made a simple spreadsheet to keep track of the amount of points that I have here in the blue column, and then the cash value of those points in green. So as we go along, I'm gonna go ahead and populate each row here from each bank from which I have points, and then we'll have the total of the points and then what they're worth in cash at the very end. Okay, now first I want to show you something. I'm going to switch over to my normal platinum card. You can choose any card that you want that has membership rewards points. And here's my balance over here, 115,378. But I want to show you a quick little experiment here. If I go to Explore Rewards, and then I go to the About tab here in the top right and choose Points Value Calculator, Amex makes it very simple to see what your points are worth. And you're able to see that value across a bunch of different options here, including booking travel, covering your card charges, which is basically cashback, gift cards, or checking out with points at select merchants that you see on the list here. I'm going to go ahead and select cover your card charges. You'll notice it only gives you $60 of cashback value for every 10,000 points. In other words, 0.6 cents per point. That's a really, really bad value, and I don't recommend that you ever do that. And for that reason, I'm not going to redeem my membership rewards points for cash the normal way. Instead, I'm going to go back to the Home tab here and choose the Schwab Platinum card. And the reason for that is because the Schwab version unlocks a really special feature called Invest with Rewards right here in a blue link. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then it brings me to this page. So I'm going to go ahead and say Get Started. And then it asks me for some verification information about my card, including the number, the ID number, zip code, all these things. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and I'll be right back. Okay, I submitted that form, verified my account, and now I'm brought to step 2 in this process where I select my account and redeem points. And then scrolling down here, I can see the value of the points when redeemed. And this is exactly why I'm doing this. My points are now worth 1.25 cents each when redeemed for cash instead of 0.6. So it's over double the value. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, let's see here, 100,000 points. I'll do a quantity of 1 for that. And then let's see, left over I have about 15,000. So I'm going to do a 10,000 as well and a 5,000, one of those, and that's 15,000 points, and then 378 is below the minimum of 1,000, so I'll just have 378 left over. So there we have it, 115,000 points worth 1437.50. So I'm going to type that right here, 1437.50. Check the box saying I understand the Invest with Rewards disclosures, and then select Next. And now I can review and confirm. So I've got 115,000 membership rewards points worth $1437.50 being deposited to my individual brokerage account, and I'll get an email confirmation to my email on file. So I'm going to go ahead and select Redeem Now. And just like that, it is done. So here's the final receipt here showing the transaction date, all the stuff that we went over, and it will be done within 4 to 6 business days. Usually it's done a lot faster than that in my experience, but at most it'll be within the week, so that's great. I can now go ahead and print this or return to my account. Amex membership rewards points via the Schwab Platinum card. Check. All right, I just switched over to my Chase account. This is a combined business and personal account in one, so my screen might look a little different than you're used to. But nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and select a card that earns Ultimate Rewards points, my Sapphire Preferred card. And from here, I can see my total balance of points, 111,912. I'll click on Redeem. Then I can choose the card I want to access. So again, Sapphire Preferred. And now I'm brought right into the Ultimate Rewards portal, which gives me a ton of different ways to shop and use my points for redemptions. But what I want to do first here is go to the menu in the top left and scroll down to Combine Points here in the bottom. I'm going to move my points from the Freedom Flex over to the Sapphire Preferred, go to Continue. I will move all of my points, so I'll leave that selected here, all points, 24,153. Again, confirming, moving from Flex to Sapphire Preferred. I'll review that. All looks good. Confirm and submit. And that's done. I've successfully moved my points. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is go to the Sapphire Preferred homepage and do the same thing again from my Business Unlimited card. So combine points from the menu, move from the Ink Business Unlimited over to the Sapphire Preferred, continue, move all points, which is 1,018, review, and confirm and submit. Done. Now back over to the Sapphire Preferred homepage, and now I have all of my points pooled together right here on my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So I'm going to put the total balance right here, 137,083. And now let's redeem them. So I'm going to go to the menu once more, scroll down to cash back. And here's where it shows me the value of my points for cash back. So 137,083 points is worth $1,370.83. In other words, a penny a point. So I'm going to log that over here on my spreadsheet at 1370.83. Awesome. And scroll down a bit here. And then I can choose to redeem for a statement credit on my credit card, deposit into a Chase account, or even an external account. That I can link down here to another bank. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose my Chase internal checking account, and then it will say down here, your cashback will be posted within 3 business days. That sounds great to me, so I'm going to now select the continue button. You're almost there, so now I can check my details below, redeeming the points, nothing left over. Here's the value of those, 1370.83, confirm and submit. Hooray! I love that confetti effect. It's always fun. It makes you feel a little bit special, like you did something great. So again, it will be posted within 3 days to my account, and that is complete.
Chase Ultimate Rewards points via the Sapphire Preferred card. Check.
Next up is BBVA. So I've already logged into my account. I went to the rewards portal so I can see how many points I had. I'll put that on my chart over here, which is 56,939 points. I'll go ahead and redeem those rewards by clicking on this button. And since I'm looking for cashback, I'm going to select the first option here that says choose an amount to redeem right here. Redeem now. Here I can type in the exact dollar amount I want in this box, or just move the slider over. I'm going to choose all points. And it shows me the value right here, $569.39. So again, these are worth a penny a point as well. So 569.39. Okay, I'll come back over here and scroll down. It says, please allow up to 7 business days to receive your account credit. That looks good to me. I'll say continue. Verify my email address on file, which is correct. Say continue again. And now for the final step, I have my account credit summary showing my points, the cash value, the fact that it will be credited to my credit card in the form of statement credit, my email address, and then I can go ahead and select the box that I've understood the important information, redeem now at the bottom. And it's done. Your account credit is being processed.
Rewards points from my BBVA Select credit card. Check.
Welcome to US Bank. Now, before we move forward here, I just realized that on my Amex account, even though I had 115,378, we only redeemed 115. So I'm going to get rid of those and just put those 3 zeros there. Now the total is accurate. Okay, moving on to US Bank. I've already logged into my account here. You can see I've got 14,484 points. So I'll log that right here, 14,484. Okay, and now that I'm in the rewards portal, I'll just select the cashback option here at the top. It asks me how much I want to redeem and also notes that the minimum you may redeem is 5,000 points and I must enter in increments of 5,000 on top of that. So for every 5,000 points, it's $50. In other words, I can redeem a minimum of $50 at a time and it must be in increments of $50. So because I'm just shy of 15,000, I'm going to go ahead and choose 10,000, which is the nearest option that is available to me. It shows me those points are worth $100. Continue. Now check this out. US Bank is totally silly with this. You can either choose a statement credit to your credit card account
or deposit to my US Bank checking or savings account. I do have a checking and savings relationship with US Bank. I'm logged into my account right now, but if I choose that option, I still have to go provide my routing number, my account number, my email. You'd think that they would have all of this stuff already on file. So to avoid all that hassle, I'm just going to do a statement credit right to my credit card and redeem my points. I'm now almost finished at the final step here to verify everything. Redeeming 10,000 points for $100 of cash back. Looks good to me. I'll type the amount here on my spreadsheet. That was worth $100. Back over here. It'll display within 3 business days. Looks good. Redeem my points. Thank you. You're welcome. My request has been processed back to home. I am good to go.
Another successful redemption from the US Bank Altitude Reserve card, which I'll place up here as well, plus a few points left over for a future redemption.
All right, now over on the Discover side. This will be super easy because there are no points involved. It's just straight cash back. So for points on my spreadsheet, I'll put a 0. And for the cash back available, I have $30.31. So I'll just type that in directly and go to ways to redeem. I've got 4 main options across the top here. I'll just choose to cash it. Rather than typing in a specific amount here, I'll just say redeem all. And then I will do apply to your bill as a statement credit. Continue. Ready to apply 30.31 to your bill as a statement credit. It will post within 2 business days. Redemptions are final. Submit. Congratulations, it's now all done, and I'll be looking forward to seeing that on my credit card account in the next couple days.
Discover's cashback is so easy to use. I absolutely love it. So another successful redemption.
To redeem Amazon points for cashback, that's done via the Chase portal as well. So I'm now back over here on Chase. I'm going to click on my Amazon Prime card right here and then select my redeem option right over here next to my points. I've got 2839. So 2,839. I'll type that on the spreadsheet. Back over and select redeem. And then I'll go to redeem rewards. It then brings me to a page that looks kind of like the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal here. I'll scroll down a bit and choose to redeem for cash back. How much cash back would you like? I'll choose the maximum amount, all $28.39. So they're worth a penny a piece, by the way, $28.39 on the spreadsheet. Perfect. Then under Redeem To, I can do a statement credit or scroll down to my checking account again, which I will choose. Continue. Verify everything. The deposits are final. It'll be done within 3 business days, just like the Chase points were. All looks good. Confirm and submit. Success! Today you redeemed for $28.39 of cash back. Perfect.
Those points from the Amazon Prime Rewards card, by the way, are the same value no matter how you redeem them. So whether it's cashback or travel, you're still going to get a penny a point.
All right, now over to Capital One. And once again, I made a little mistake here on the spreadsheet. For US Bank, we actually did 10,000 points because I was not able to redeem all of them due to the increments of 5,000 points apiece. So with 10K there, we're now good to go. Back to Capital One. This will be super fun because I've got $1.71 of cash rewards right there. Zoom back out. I will go to select View Rewards. On the next page here, I can scroll down a bit, see all my redemption options, and I will choose Redeem for Cash. Redeem now. Then I can choose to redeem on the credit card itself as a statement credit or to mail a check to my address. For simplicity, I'll choose to credit this card. Next, I'll do the full amount, $1.71, and redeem. It'll take 2 to 3 business days to appear. Success! What a day of victory!
That redemption, by the way, was from the Capital One Spark Business Cash Select card, the one with no annual fee, earning 1.5% cash back on all purchases. And I'm kind of out of room here, so I'm going to put that one vertically right here on the very end, just so it has a spot on the table as well. And that is how you redeem a total of 321,861 points, for a total of $3,538.13. Now, for all of you wonderful people out there who are wondering, why didn't I go fly to Tahiti and stay in an overwater bungalow at the St. Regis and have caviar on the beach with a Mai Tai every single day for a week? Let me reveal to you my rationale for doing all this craziness, and why you may or may not want to do it yourself. So here's the thing. The best value for Amex and Chase points will almost always be premium travel. And by that I mean long-haul international flights in premium cabins and staying at luxury hotels. But I don't do those kinds of trips. Now that could change in the future, but at least for right now, that's not what I'm doing. The second best value for your Amex and Chase points will be standard travel. And by that I mean domestic or short haul international flights and mid-tier to upscale hotels. Now this is by far what I do the most of when I do travel. However, at the moment I've got enough points with Marriott, Hilton, Southwest, and American Airlines for the next 1 to 2 years of my travels. So I didn't need to save any of my Amex or Chase points to put toward those future trips because I'm already covered. And the third best value for your Amex or Chase points will be promotional redemptions. And by that I mean Chase's pay yourself back feature or Amex gift card discounts, etc. Oftentimes these banks will give you more value for your points if you redeem for certain types of rewards at certain times of the year. However, I prefer not to be limited by specific redemption categories. Now overall, if I'm planning to travel somewhere, then I'll find the best points and miles to help me get to my destination. But if I'm not planning a trip, like I'm not right now, I much prefer cashback for the much greater flexibility. And as long as I can get at least 1 cent per point or better from my points when redeeming them for cashback, to me that's a good value. But putting all of that aside, the number one focus of my life right now is to increase my net worth. And 3 of the simplest steps that you can take to make that happen are to decrease your expenses, increase your income, and invest the surplus. If you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also be sure to check out those links in the description below. There are some down there to apply for a new credit card, to get 4 free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit $100 on the platform, and another to help you start your own online business and have me guide you through the process. I'd also love to know if all of those points that I just redeemed today were in your account right now, how would you redeem them? Would you have taken the cashback route or the travel route? And if travel, then where would you go? Tell me in those comments down below. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.